That random hic isn't just a sound, it's your body sending the wrong signal for no reason. Hiccups start when your diaphragm suddenly contracts without warning, like your body is trying to force a breath. This usually happens when something irritates the nerves connected to your breathing, like eating too fast, drinking soda, or even laughing. But here's the weird part. Right after that forced breath, your vocal cords snap shut and cut the air off instantly. That sharp interruption is what creates the hic sound you hear. Be honest, when hiccups start, can you actually stop them or do they just take over?